Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's learn how to create this Karwa Chauth special post design using Canva. This was a request from one of our subscribers. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Now let's get started. First, let me select our background. So I've already star marked the background that I'll be using for the design. So let me just select this image. Click on the three dots and set image as background. You can search for dark blue background in the elements section to get a photo like this. Okay, now let's search for our next element, that is black gradient rectangle, and let's take the first element. Now while pressing Alt, just stretch this element, position it to bottom. Then let's reduce the transparency a little. Perfect. Now just duplicate this element, flip it vertically and position it to the top of the artboard. Perfect. Now in the elements tab, let's search for bouquet stars. Let's take this element, the second one. Just stretch this element and cover the top part and position to backwards. Then let's search for clouds. Let's take this one. Reduce its size, duplicate it, and let's place this over here. Then I'll be selecting both these elements and let's reduce the transparency. I think this will be fine. Perfect. Now let's search for golden ring. Come to the graphics tab, scroll down, and this one, you will find this element. Let me just increase its size a little. Okay, then let's search for gold glow and let's take the third one. While pressing Alt, just reduce its size a little and position it backwards. Then let's search for gray blur and I'll take this one. While pressing Alt, again let's reduce its size, position it to backwards, and let's reduce its transparency a little. Then search for diya. Let's take this one over here, reduce its size and position it this way. Then just select this element and push it backwards. Then let's search for moon and you'll have this element over here. Let's reduce its size and position it this way inside the ring. I think this should be fine. Then just position it backwards. Okay. Now we need to add our text. So just press T to add some text. Then just change its color to white. And let's take Montserrat as our font. Then I'll be just making it uppercase and increasing its letter spacing. Okay. Now again press T. Let's add our text and I'll make it lowercase. Change the font. Let's search for tan. I'm searching for tan pearl. So yeah, here it is. And just change the color. Let's take this eyedropper tool. Select the eyedropper tool and let's select a color from here. I'll go with the light yellow from the golden ring. Let's increase the size of this text. Okay, let me just increase the letter spacing a little more for this text. Okay. Now let's search for bouquet in the elements. And I'll take this element, position it this way and then push it to back. Then search for golden Islamic frame. Then in the graphics tab itself, just scroll down and you'll find this. While pressing Alt, just increase its size. And I'll show you one important thing over here. So when you cover the artboard with this frame like this, and when you click outside the artboard, something like this will happen. So how do you prevent this? Just select this frame, this golden frame, and then lock it. That's it. The problem is solved. And this is how our design looks. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It really motivates me to work even harder. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.